Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to a wedding, so I need to wash the car for the first time in like 8 months. And I've also finally gone and bought something from the TikTok shop. I saw it looked really cool. I got a very short-handled lance, so it's got loads of attachments, snow foam attachments as well. Let's give it a whirl. As you can see, the car is absolutely filthy. It's hanging, I think I'd describe it as. Bugs all over it, dirty wheels, mud down the sides. When I open the doors, lots of mud and build up and lots of stuff in the car as well. Yeah, it's one of them. It's gonna be much nicer once it's cleaned. I love the car when it's clean, but it's just a pig to keep clean. So let's see how we get on with this new thing. So it attaches to my cartridge washer. It's got an attachment piece here, which is a quick release, which is cool. Funky little design, loads of nozzles, and as I say, let's see what happens.
We keep on moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We ain't slowing down. Moving, we keep on moving along, we keep on rolling. Yeah, no, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go. We ain't slowing down, baby. Come and show me how. Gotta do it right now. You know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things they never last. Pull up in the whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium. Pull up with a team and I'm ain't worried about the other side. You know that they ain't beating. I'm on everything I love. Work to the man above. Keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling. No, gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are in a stove. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worked in. I never change the blueprint cause we know it's really working. Keep on moving, moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling, rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never slowing down, never moving, moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling, rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. Never gonna lose it. Cause we in it for the movement. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into their amusement. If we trying, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your. Never rest on a past success. You gotta love what you do if you tryna be the best. Keep on moving, moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it rolling, rolling. Yeah, we ain't slowing it down. Never slowing down, never moving, moving. We keep on moving along. Keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it rolling, rolling. Keep it rolling, keep it moving. We ain't never gonna lose it.
Well, so far, it's okay. Not massively over impressed with it, but it's really good for getting into the small spaces. Let's try the snow foam. What's cool about this? You can spin it. So I guess you can mix up your snow foam inside.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
is the move.
For those who
done, rinse off and a bit of a wipe. It's looking much better already, but I'm going to use this G-Wash High Foaming Supreme Dirt Remover. This is like a shampoo wash. I'm going to apply it the same way through this snow foam jet. Probably going to use a bit too much really, but I don't want the car looking mucky. Taking out quite a few family members in it today, so I don't want them to think I'm a bit of a tramp. Cool. Let's go again, shall we? Car's done. Looks much better, doesn't it? I have got the wheels to do next. So, but yeah, what a difference. Pretty sure to say I am now ready for the wedding. It's looking good, isn't it? I've even done the inside. Check this out. It's like a brand new car. Beautiful. Don't know what to do about this. But no point doing too much crazy on the floor mats. I'm pretty happy with that. So then what's the verdict? Well, it's quite good for small spaces. It'd be ideal for the children. They can easily control it, easily work it. The snow foam bottle I thought was very good, but trying to get it back off until you release all the pressure of the water, you can't remove it. So I can't actually think how much this was. I think I spent about 40 quid on the TikTok shop, which had this. It had a 10-meter hose which hasn't arrived yet, and then to get free delivery I ordered a thing for the car, which may or may not work, may or may not arrive, who knows. But I'd say this worked really well. It's got a good quantity of fluid level, and also the application was really good. I quite like the handy little attachments. So I've got 5 nozzles of different spray patterns and pressures. One thing I would say as well, the pressure from this is nowhere near the pressure in the Karcher Lance. But as I say, it's worked out pretty well. The car's looking rather clean, so that's a big tick in the box. Whether I'd say to replace this for your full setup, I probably wouldn't. But as a addition to your, I guess, your arsenal for car cleaning stuff, it's quite handy to have, quite nimble, quite user-friendly. But just bear in mind the pressure's not there. But nice, quick and easy fixings. I like the fact you can spin it round. I don't know if it's for ease of stirring the stuff up or just because it's quite cool to do this. But yeah, overall, I wouldn't recommend it for everyday use. I'd still recommend the original Karcher one, but for the odd job, definitely worthwhile. And I say, for the children, really handy to operate. Anyway, the car's clean. My eyes are stinging because of hay fever. It's time to do some other jobs. So that's kind of the end of this video. If you have enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below. If you haven't done this already, please consider becoming a subscriber. Completely free to do. And I better get on with some other jobs because that took a bit longer than expected. So let's get cracking.